Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how to put your phone into recovery mode. This one is a Moto G5 Play. Well, first you want to hold the volume up and down. Then you want to enter your USB cable. It doesn't matter where you have plugged it in. When you see the screen lights up, you release the buttons. Then what you want to do here, you want to navigate to recovery mode. So you navigate to recovery mode, then you hit the power button, you can go ahead now and take out the USB cable. Then you want to hold the volume up and the power button and then release. This can be a problem for some persons. Release. Then if you want to perform a factory reset, you go down to wipe data factory reset. There you hit the power button, then you select yes to factory reset. That is if you want to do a factory reset. So that's how you enter the recovery mode. That's how you do a reset. I hope that this was helpful. I am just going to go and reboot the device now.